Welcome to the X-PHY Deepfake Detector User Guide. In this video, I will show you how to use the X-PHY Deepfake Detector and its key features. Before you're able to use the app, please ensure that your device is connected to the internet. Now, let me go through each feature of the application. First, open your taskbar and right-click on the X-PHY Deepfake Detector icon. The web surfing detection agents allow you to detect deepfake video or deepfake audio while browsing. You can activate the video detection or the voice detection individually, and each will alert you if AI-manipulated visuals or audio are detected in your browser. The video call detection agents are used during live video calls. You can enable video detection or voice detection separately, and the system will notify you if deepfake visuals or deepfake audio are identified in the call. The auto-launch detection agent automatically starts detection based on certain conditions, and triggers are detected. Now, I will demonstrate the web surfing video detection agent. To begin, we need a deepfake video for testing. For this guide, I will be using this example video. As you can see, a notification will appear informing you that AI-manipulated content has been detected. Once the session is ended, another notification will appear informing you that the session is complete. Click on it to view the results. Images highlighted in red indicate deepfake content, while those highlighted in green represent real faces. You can also click on the result folder to view all detected faces captured during the session. Next, I will demonstrate the video call video detection agent. To begin, I will play a recorded Zoom call where one of the participants has enabled a face swap application to alter their appearance. As you can see, a notification will appear. Once session ends, you can click the notification to check the results. Now I will demonstrate the web surfing voice detection agent. To begin, we need a video with deepfake audio for testing. For this guide, I will be using this example video. As you can see, a notification will appear. Once the session completes, you can click the notification to view the results. In the results folder, you will find WAV audio files containing the deepfake voices identified by the detector, allowing you to replay and review them.
Russia has very powerful bombs, the strongest, perhaps even stronger than you.
To view all detection results collected from previous sessions, select Open Results folder. The result folder includes both audio and video detection. All results will be organized by data detection. Lastly, you can find your application version displayed at the bottom of the menu. That's the end of our X-PHY Deepfake Detector User Guide. Please visit our X-PHY website for more information. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your time.